In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save emails as templates in Microsoft Outlook. If you send the same kinds of messages over and over, like status updates, introductions, or follow-ups, creating a reusable template will save you time and keep your communication consistent. Start by opening Outlook and clicking New Mail to create a fresh message. This opens the Compose window where you'll draft the content you want to reuse. Go ahead and compose your email just as you normally would. Write the body of the message clearly and include any standard details you often repeat. If parts of the message will change each time, consider adding simple placeholders such as brackets or short prompts so you can quickly customize it later. You can use formatting like bold text, links, and lists. Those will be preserved in the template content. With your message content ready, look at the bottom of the Compose window for the apps icon. It typically looks like a small grid of squares on the message toolbar. Click the apps icon to open the panel of available apps and add-ins. From that panel, select My Templates. This opens a side pane where Outlook stores your reusable text snippets. It's a built-in